Hey guys, it's Ree. If you're new to my channel, my name's I look so whatever. My name's ADERIYIKE. So these nails are broken. I haven't uploaded in a long time. I was in like finals and moving out of school and stuff, so my nails look crazy and I need to go get them done. I'm gonna show you guys in the car because I'm gonna do a drive with me. So should I bring water? Because I never drink here. Let me just bring water just in case. Okay, yeah, so today is gonna be like a mini vlog, and I just got my nails done last week. I know my hair's blue, everything's blue, but I'm about to go to the nail salon. I don't think I ever showed you guys my car, Honda Accord Coupe. You dig what I'm saying? But it's supposed to be too. Damn, all that heat that just escaped. So we're gonna put this in the car. I'm about to show you guys that angle. I don't know where I want to put it though. Is it supposed to be this way? Okay, so I finally got my camera on my window. So let's see how this baby is when I drop. I think I'm about to. James Charles is, I don't understand why he keeps making videos. I'm gonna have to watch that later, bro. Alright, so I'm about to go to the bank. I'm about to go to the bank and then go get an iced latte and then walk in a nail salon. I did not make an appointment. This is a new nail salon. I'm back from school. So school is like 50 to an hour away, and I'm not driving that far. There's somewhere that's about 6 minutes away from my house, so I'm about to go try that place. Let me check my account first before I go to the bank trying to withdraw money I don't have. I haven't checked my account in a week. I've just been spending, so you guys will see my reaction. Wow, I knew I didn't spend that much money this week. I don't know why I'm surprised, because I was thinking to myself, I'm only spending like $15 a day just to eat. Like, I'm not even doing anything. I'm so happy. The beach about to get everything done. We're gonna put on some music. I should go to a Dunkin' Donuts drive-thru so I don't have to get out the car. I might have to find out where that is at the bank. Car, so damn, disrespectful ass one. Donuts by me, but I don't want to get out of the car. I've never been to a drive-thru Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, there is a drive-thru, and I'm not going. Way too far. Trying to please a bitch, it almost drove me crazy. That's music. I want that who motherfucking represent me here tonight. So I just got back from that nail place and they said they don't accept walk-ins, they just do appointments over the phone. And I think that she saw my nails and then made that decision. So I'm about to call another nail salon and see if they can do long nails, since people want to act like they don't know how to. I really don't feel like driving 20 minutes, but I can make that 20 minutes into 5. You dig what I'm saying? Alright, I'm about to go. It's hot as fuck. Jesus Christ. I'm not even have my windows down. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, do you guys do long nails? Like full set for long nails.
Full set long nails, okay. 38.
Okay, do I have to make an appointment or can I walk in?
You come now?
Yeah, I can make can I make an appointment for 3 o'clock?
3 o'clock.
Yeah, for gel pedicure and gel full set.
Okay. See you 3 o'clock.
All right, thank you.
What's your name?
R-I-Y, Ree. Boy, for my New Jerseyans. I have not been to Perth Amboy for like years. But I'm about to go put this on GPS because I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Let's see, I'm gonna turn it into 8 minutes.
I was broke last week, but today be a new day. Motherfuckers like comedies.
Why is my feet? This is the lighting. Like, I don't understand why the lighting is like this. Okay, so hey guys, it's Ree. So I just came back. Why am I like doing my intro again? But I just came back. Excuse the lighting, it's really bad. But I just came back from the nail salon. I went around 3 o'clock and it's, you can't see it. Oh, you can. It's 8:09. So I came back like 15 minutes ago, and a big story time. Not really anything serious, but it's a story time. I went to a new nail salon my friend goes to, and I told them I wanted long nails, whatever. I had old nails on. Let me click that. Okay, so I had old nails on from like, I had a set that was on my fingers for 5 weeks. So I had a really old set on and some of my nails were broken. Whatever, I told them she soaked it off. She didn't know English, so we had to get a translator, right? So we're just sitting there. She's asking me like how I want whatever stuff done, whatever. So we get, she was like, let me do your pedicure while your old nails are soaking off. I was like, okay. We get to my pedicure, and I wanted to do a yellow color because like yellow would look nice against my skin. I've never did yellow before. Right, excuse this lighting. I've never did yellow before. I'm sweaty as fuck, but I never did yellow before. I told her like I want like a pastel yellow, whatever. She gives me this yellow that's like a sunflower type yellow, and I was like, okay, let me see how this works. So she puts on the first, she did my shape and everything. She scrubbed my feet. If you guys know, I got into an accident with my foot, so I have no feeling in my left foot from like 75% of my foot, 75% of my foot and down has no feeling. So I have not got my feet done since last summer. And when I say feet done, I mean like scrubbed, washed, all that. I have not got my feet done in basically almost a year. So she started scrubbing it off, years of dead skin coming off, whatever. When she got around my scar, she did it nicely. Like, she didn't do it too rough because it's really uncomfortable when people touch my foot, especially my left foot. It's so disgusting. So she did all of that. She gets to my toes. She like clips it down, makes it square. Then she gets to the nail polish part, and the nail polish, she put on a coat, and I was like, what's a little sheer? It's a little sheer, sis. And it's gel. I do gel because it lasts longer. So if I didn't want to do like a refill after 2 weeks, my nails are still gonna look brand new. So she did a second coat, and I was like, usually I wouldn't be seeing the top of my foot right now. Still seeing it. She did a third coat. And I noticed, like, as she was doing the coat, she kept rubbing it off with acetone, putting it back on. So I was like, obviously, I was on my phone, like, I was like, I noticed it, like, so she did a third coat. I looked at the lady next to me. I was like, you see that this is kind of uneven. Not like to be an asshole, but I was like, this is uneven, right? She's like, yeah, it is. And so I told her, like, she knew Spanish and English, and the person doing my nails didn't know English. I was like, can you tell her that I don't want this color? Guys, I'm not an asshole. If I'm gonna pay for my nails, I need to walk out the nail salon with a smile on my face. Yes, I should have said it earlier, but she did 3 coats. I thought like if she did another coat would look better, and then I said if she did another coat would look better. It just wasn't looking good. So I didn't mean to be an asshole. I was not being rude at all. I said in the most polite way, like, this is uneven. I just want to change the color. I don't want to do this color anymore. And it's gel, but she didn't put on the top coat. So I guess she got like a little attitude. She got mad. She went to go tell the owner, and then she was like, she basically told the owner, you finish it, you do her nails. And she walked away, and I was like, I don't get it. Like, you were painting like a 3. I wasn't rude. I let her go because she was doing a bad job. And then the owner came, did it for me. She was like, I'm so sorry, blah blah blah. I was like, it's no problem. So the owner finessed, like my feet look so good, squared, and I ended up tipping the owner at the end. She's like, no, no, no. I was like, no, you deserve it because your employee didn't want to finish my feet. So the lady who did my nails, oh my god, she did it so perfect. I'm about to show you guys right now. Nails, if you guys want to know where her shop is or whatever, today was her last day in the shop if you're in New Jersey area. So I'll let you guys know I'll let you guys know if anyone needs a new nail tech, 'cause I'm not going to that place by my school anymore because it's too far. But she did my nails were 48 and my feet were 25. I don't mind, it's not that bad. And yeah, so this is basically how everything turned out. I'm so happy. I have no complaints. That lady was rude as hell, but it's okay because she was doing a bad job. And I'm not gonna walk out with my nails fessed up. I feel like a new beach. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you guys like these type of vlog style videos instead of like sit down videos, because it's the summertime. It's time to start getting active and start rolling on the road. So besides that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Beach.